Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're diving into the top 5 best artificial grass products available on the market right now. Whether you're creating a lush outdoor patio, training your pets, or building a stylish green wall, we've got you covered. We'll explore their features, performance, and value to help you pick the perfect option. All product links will be in the description below, so check them out for more details. Now, let's get started. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the Ode Tory Artificial Grass Wall Panel Backdrop. This is the most budget-friendly option on our list, priced at just $20.69. Each package includes 12 panels, each measuring 10 by 10 inches, and together they cover 8.4 square feet. With a dense arrangement of 100 faux leaves per panel and a 3D design, this product is perfect for smaller spaces or as a flexible filler for larger projects. The design is lightweight yet durable, made from high-density polyethylene, HDPE, that is UV-resistant and weatherproof. While it's a great choice for indoor and outdoor use, such as decorating TV walls, balconies, or creating privacy on fences, the smaller panel size might require extra effort to assemble for larger areas. However, the included zip ties make installation easy, and the product can be reshaped or fluffed after shipping to restore its full look. Overall, this is an excellent option for anyone on a tight budget or looking for a quick, decorative solution. The main drawbacks are the smaller dimensions and the need for some manual adjustment after unboxing. Still, for its price point, it delivers solid value and versatility. Coming in at number 4, we have the Pick for Life Realistic Artificial Grass Rug. This product is perfect for multi-purpose use. Whether it's creating a small lawn for your garden, a pet-friendly play area, or a decorative balcony covering. Measuring 3 feet by 5 feet, it offers a mid-size option for those looking for versatility at a very affordable price of $25.64. The standout feature here is its 3D drainage matrix technology, which ensures water disperses quickly, keeping the surface dry and clean. Crafted from a premium PE/PP blend with UV stabilizers, the turf maintains its vibrant green color and soft texture under various weather conditions. The setup is straightforward, and the package includes 10 landscape staples and other accessories, making it beginner-friendly. While this product is highly functional, its budget pricing means it may lack the density and realism of higher-end options. It's a fantastic choice for pet owners or anyone needing a low-maintenance, multi-purpose fake grass. But if you're aiming for a more premium aesthetic, you might want to explore other options higher on this list. Taking the runner-up spot at number 2 is the Dequin Artificial Hedge Boxwood Panels. These panels are a fantastic mid-range option for anyone looking to create a lush, green privacy screen or vibrant wall decor. Each package includes 12 panels, each measuring 20 by 20 inches, covering a generous 33.33 square feet. At $68.98, this product strikes a balance between quality and affordability. Made from high-quality polyethylene, these panels are UV-resistant and weatherproof, ensuring their vibrant green color lasts for years. The leaves are dense and lifelike, creating a realistic and visually appealing effect. Installation is simple, thanks to the included zip ties and spare leaves, and you can easily cut or shape the panels to fit your specific needs. While the Dequin panels are a bit pricier than the lower-ranked options, their durability, size, and realistic appearance make them ideal for larger projects like backyard fences, wedding backdrops, or office decor. The only drawback is that some users may find the panels slightly thin compared to premium options, but overall, they deliver excellent value and versatility. Finally, at number 1, we have the Gruy Artificial Boxwood Panels, the premium choice on our list, priced at $178.49. This product is an investment, but it delivers exceptional quality and performance. The package includes 16 panels, each measuring 20 by 20 inches, providing a substantial coverage area for large projects. What sets the Gruy panels apart is their dense, realistic design with no visible gaps. Made from high-density polyethylene, HDPE, These panels are built to withstand harsh weather conditions while remaining vibrant and lifelike. They're UV tested and SGS certified for safety, making them suitable for both residential and commercial applications. The kit includes zip ties, gloves, and a plastic rod for easy installation, and the panels can be customized to fit any space. While the price tag may deter budget-conscious buyers, Agrui panels are perfect for those looking to create a standout privacy screen, wedding backdrop, or office decor. The unparalleled realism, durability, and ease of installation make this the ultimate choice for anyone seeking the best artificial grass panels on the market. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope this video helped you find the perfect artificial grass product for your needs. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel for more in-depth reviews like this. Let me know in the comments which product you're leaning toward, and I'll be happy to answer any questions. See you in the next video.